Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change shipping address on AliExpress after payment. So after placing the order, you can change the shipping address. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step on how you can do this. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, by the way, you can do the exact same steps on your phone. Okay, it can be Android phone or iPhone. You can just open the app inside your phone and then apply the exact same steps that I'm about to show you in this video. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on your account in the top right if you are using a laptop, and then click on my orders. Okay, so if the product has already been shipped and the tracking number is provided to you, this is going to be a little bit trickier. So if the tracking number is already provided to you, then you want to copy that tracking number and open a website. It's called 17 track. Okay, just to make sure that the tracking number works, or if it works, if you can see that tracking number works, then there is no way to cancel this order and change the shipping address, because the shipping company already shipped the product. So it means it's in transit right now. So there is no way like the supplier will go to the shipping company and stop the item in a country or a city. Okay, so there is no way for them to do that. But if it doesn't work, then you want to just contact the supplier directly or a seller directly and tell them, hi, this is the wrong country. Don't tell them that this is like a wrong city, because they are not going to take it like seriously. Say something like, this is the wrong country, I want to change the shipping address. And if it's a little bit expensive, like if it's a product with like a little bit expensive, you will take this seriously and you will try to cancel the order. You will contact the shipping company so that they cannot ship your product. And then after you cancel, then you can get your money and you can change the shipping address here. As you can see, if you click here on shipping address, you will be able to find here your addresses. You just need to click on add new address and add the new address. Now, if the product is not shipped, okay, it's not shipped, then to cancel this order is much easier. I'd say it's not going to require you anything. Okay, just click on order details and you will be able to click here on this cancel button here. It is going to take you guys to this page, and then after that you want to click on reason for refund. I want to change the shipping method for this order, or I want to change this order. Just give them any reason and click on submit, and the refund will be sent to you depending on your country. If you live outside of United States, the refund time is going to take anywhere from 4 days to 10 days. But if you live inside United States or Europe, the refund is going to take, I would say, like 1 day to 2 days to reach your bank account. Okay, it's not going to take that long. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can cancel the order. If you scroll down, you can also cancel it here. If you scroll down here, okay, so that's exactly how you can cancel it, guys. If you are not able to cancel it, just contact the supplier here. Just click on this contact icon here, and then the supplier will be able, guys, to help you. Just explain to them that I don't want like this item anymore, or don't say like something like this. You just say something like, this is a wrong country, I would like to change my address because it's going to be shipped to the country that I don't want to get it shipped to. So something like that. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can change the address after payment on AliExpress. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me any question you have with AliExpress. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a good day. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.